And we'll accept iPicky or iPiggy. They're both in the running. Oregon State University, as we have one of their pilots here in this one trying to earn more points by staying alive. That's iPicky. They are telling me that it's not iPiggy, it's iPicky. Who knew? Actually, as I look back in the chat is blowing up right now. No, everyone's like, no, guy, it's iPicky. What are you thinking? Well, right now, guys, we are going to see iPicky in match 10. So I can butcher it again in the on-deck circle. Their top pilot in qualifying was iPicky. Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tune, less than 5. Wind has died down just a little bit. Look at this. Pino, Formula, Bubby, 2 seconds separating them. There's iPiggy running in 4th and 3 seconds back from the transfer position. That's after 1. Now we've seen some pilots not finish races. There is Pino, your TQ. He is now looking to win another bracket to have Ironman mode engaged into the semifinal. Formula and Bubby are 3 seconds back in a battle for second to stay in the winner's bracket. And Pino, once again, 3 up, 3 down, 42.1 this time around. And so Ironman mode still engaged for Pino, trying to win 2 collegiate championships. So we got a bunch of bracket points for Oregon State University. Now they got one of their pilots grinding out in this consolation bracket. Their top pilot in qualifying was iPicky, but as it is right now, Oregon State University number 1. As we sit right now, bragging rights to Oregon State University, as we have one of their pilots here in this one trying to earn more points by staying alive. That's iPicky. Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tune. Less than 5. Watching the chat right there, there's a lot of Bubby fans right there. Of course, he was a fourth, going to go to Oregon State University. And so that one will be a wrap.